give you 2 seconds to mark this.
Yeah, let it.
And then we'll launch into it. Now, are we saying about an introduction? No.
How do you feel about an intro? Could you give us a
Well, I
little...
thought we were just going to cut to...
Yeah, we'll go with that then.
Well, it's all these things.
Great, perfect.
Right?
That's great.
Okay, and we're rolling.
Well, it's all these things. But basically, why I designed this was to improve the quality of light for the citizens of Bondi. And I was presented with this problem. Here we were on the western rim of the Pacific Ocean, on a headland at Bondi. The Metropolitan Water and Sewerage Board Buckler Tower. Hydrogen sulfide pours out of the top of it. The storms and gales of the Pacific lash the sides. Lightning bolts strike, not to mention misdirected golf balls. So, we had to come up with a design that encompassed all of this. What did we do? After some great thought, we thought that we would design it to make a representation of a French perfume bottle with aroma bubbles bursting from the top.
Can you just give us that line? It's all of these things. Just that line.
Right. Basically, it's all of these things.
Quite once more.
Sorry?
One more time, do you want to go through?
Basically, it's all of these things.
Perfect. That's good.
Great.
Just get cut away.
Do you want to cut the light? Hit the light?
Hey, no.
Okay.
Okay, just...
We're just getting another shot. That was perfect. Quick in, quick out.
That's
Working
the
with
way.
professionals.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. Why don't you try...
I meant you, not us.
Lift your right finger.
It's all of these things.
Okay, without the line. Lift your right finger up to the top. I'll tell you when you hit it. We lose power. Up. Okay, go your right. Right.
Come around to your right a little bit,
Move your
Roger.
finger right.
Oh, sorry.
No, move your finger your right.
My right.
That's right. Keep going. And up and up and up and up. Stop. And bring your middle finger down, thanks, so that you're just pointing.
And do you want his face at the camera?
And face to the camera. Why don't we try that line?
Okay.
Which line?
It's all of these things?
Basically, it's all of these things.
Terrific.